Ever had Logic Pro's FlexTime feature completely ruin the tempo of the track? Yeah, it's the worst, but don't sweat it. This quick video is going to show you exactly how to fix that so you can get back to making music without the frustration. Let's hop in. So here we have our session, and I have this vocal take isolated. Let's take a listen to that. I might want to enable FlexTime so I can make adjustments to the length of certain phrases in the vocal, just so it lines up better with the vocal double. So I'm going to enable FlexTime now, and let's see what happens. If you notice, the region is longer now. The vocals have shifted, so they're not even in the same spot anymore. And I've encountered this issue every once in a while, and it's super frustrating. Now, the reason why this happens is that this audio file was originally recorded at a different BPM. So in that original project session, the BPM was likely left at the default 120 BPM. So now this specific audio file is tied to that 120 BPM tempo. I didn't realize there was a quick fix to this problem, and I'm going to show you how right now. Let's disable FlexTime. I learned this trick from an audio engineer named Sam Luce. What you want to do now is have the region selected, go up to Edit, down to Tempo, and we're going to select Write Project Tempo to Audio File. Let's select that. It's going to tell us that this action cannot be undone, and that's fine. We'll hit OK. Let's enable FlexTime. And if you notice, the region hasn't shifted, it hasn't stretched or shortened. It stays put, and now I can get to work on making those edits in the vocal. All right, that's it for today. I hope this video helped you fix that annoying FlexTime issue so you can get back to making music. And hey, before you go, I have a gift for you. Head on over to mymixingchecklist.com to grab your free 9-step mixing checklist. It'll take you through the process of mixing a song from start to finish. Absolutely free. It's my gift to you for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, you've got this.